Dear student, today we have solved the remaining questions of exercise 13.2. In 7th question, it is asked to write down the English alphabet which will have the horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry and no line of symmetry. So for that, we have written first all the English alphabets from A to Z and we have drawn the line of symmetry for them. Okay, for example, for A, we have drawn the line of symmetry like this, that is called as the vertical line of symmetry. For B, it will be a slipping line, that is the horizontal line of symmetry. So here some of the letters I have shown with the vertical or the horizontal line of symmetry, and some letters will not have any line of symmetry. For example, F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, Z. These will not have any line of symmetry. Many times the students are confused with the horizontal or vertical line of symmetry. When it is asked the vertical line of symmetry, you should draw the letter V. Okay, vertical means letter V you should draw. Now, which line of symmetry it will have? The V will have the standing line of symmetry. That is the vertical line of symmetry. Like that, you should keep it in mind so that you will not have any confusion regarding the vertical or the horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so letter V is having the vertical line of symmetry. So all other letters you can accordingly then write down. Now, here the question 7th is asked. Its answers we have written 8 like this. Okay, in first part it is asked the vertical line of symmetry, so we have written all these letters. Then in B it is asked the horizontal line of symmetry, so these are the letters for that. Okay, C it is asked no line of symmetry, so we have already shown up which are the letters with the no lines of symmetry. And then for one extra one we have written, that is we have to write down the letters which is having the both lines of symmetry, and there we have written H, I, O, X. Okay, this is not asked but it may be asked in exam that which letters having the both lines of symmetry, so you should write down these 4. Mirror reflection and the line symmetry, they are related and linked to each other. The symmetry with respect to the reflection is called reflection symmetry. Okay, now here to show the mirror reflection, I have taken letter A and letter A is kept in front of the mirror. So the image of the letter A is formed here like this. Okay, now from here you can see this is the actual one and this is the image. Where the image is formed here, we can see now image of this tip of the A is formed here. How far this tip from the mirror, at a same distance the image will form. Okay, now this part of the image is formed here. How far this part from the mirror, at the same distance the image will form. Okay, so like that you are going to get the image of the actual object. Now in a object and in the image, what are the similarity? Similarity are their distance from the mirror is the same, their height will be same, shape will be same, size will also be same. Then what is the difference? Difference is that they are laterally inverted. Laterally inversion means what? Left will appear as right and right will appear as left. How far this part is away from the mirror? Okay, the same, at a same distance its image will be formed here like this. Okay, so here I have shown the mirror reflection. Now what is your homework? At home you have to show PRUS as the mirror reflection. Okay, next we have seen the kaleidoscope. Okay, in kaleidoscope there are the two plain mirror strips forming the V shape. The shape of the strips will be V, and another part you have to cover with the cardboard. Okay, and other two parts you can cover with the transfer sheet. But before closing all these, you can put pieces, colorful pieces of the bangles or any decorative item inside it, and you can get a kaleidoscope. What are the different images are formed in a kaleidoscope? It will have the line of symmetry. Okay, then you have to make the album. For making the album, whatever the materials we are going to make in this chapter, that we are going to collect it here. Album is just the collection of the maybe photos, decorative pieces, or any other item